minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip, then somebody said to me, nigga.
Hey guys. Okay, I'm currently done up. You know, we're about to go to the beach. It's, what time is it? Actually, don't know what time it is. It's 1:31, guys. 1:31. And I know that's probably like, oh, it's early. No. I was up since like 7 a.m. I came from my brother's house, and my brother and my dad went to the gym. And you know, they was like, you know, probably gonna be done by 11. You know, we're gonna go to the beach around 12. It's 1:31. And my second brother, like my other brother, he's just now getting up, trying to get, like, starting to get ready. But they should be here by like 2:30, I say. Then we gotta go to Publix. Like, so much just to go to the beach, you know? It's like, come on. But I mean, anything for the beach. I'm just chilling, waiting for everybody, because I've been ready, obviously. But it's okay, because it gave me a lot of time. I didn't have to rush through anything I was doing, even though I thought I was gonna have to rush, but I didn't have to rush. But I'm just about to eat because I'm hungry. Like, I cannot go outside without eating. I told my brother, I just got off the phone with him, I was like, you need to pack me some snacks. I'm gonna pack everything else, but you need to pack me some snacks because I'm hungry and you're not gonna let me starve. That's for sure. But what did I come back here for? Oh, my stand, because I can't keep walking around with the camera like this. The plans are basically just to go to the beach and, you know, come home, chill. Why is it so dirty? Like, the lighting is bad, so I'm actually not going to like set the camera up right here and clean. I'm just gonna do it and then come back, because I'm not gonna give y'all a bad light. Like, that just looks weird to me. So I'm just gonna go while I do this. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back from heating up my food. I'm mad close on. I'm back from heating up my food. I'm just waiting for my brothers to come, like I said previously. But I'm watching The Shy. Y'all need to watch that. Like, watch it if you haven't, for real, for real. But yeah, I'm about to eat, grub, you feel me, and then I'm gonna come back. Oh no, the brightness is too dark.
Too dark. Oh yo!
Those are mine. You gave me. Cause I need to turn, like, take your stuff off.
0021.
Here.
Nigga didn't even close the door. Gotta just do better. Gotta just do better.
Are you serious?
How much is I need to get serious? Okay, how much is I need to return?
Look where we're at. Yeah.
Oh, why does it look like Chick-fil-A? What?
You're bugging.
You already know what you want.
Funny.
Man, do all types of. I just want a cold sub.
Ooh, I need a drink.
Took everything from Walmart.
Strawberry milk.
Bro, I'm about to get good water.
Your cake ice cream.
A good water. You know what I'm gonna get me? A Simply. Dummy. What you?
Alkaline.
Smart water.
Here, top 10.
Smart water. Oh.
Yeah, don't touch too hard.
Is it busting? Why is it so dark? Like, the lighting is just so dark.
Hello.
Omar.
You know what? Are you gonna eat anything? Or is this what you're doing right now?
See, it like keeps getting bright and then it wants to be dark.
Oh, this shit is busting.
This fire? Let me see.
Where's my mama, bro?
I need ice cream.
You're talking to me, gang?
Right, I'm like, what?
Again.
What we talking about?
Back up. Back up.
Talking to me? We're leaving, guys.
Yeah, I did.
Onto the beach.
I know it's like
After how many hours of me being awake and ready?
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, You too unusual, rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Put your sweats on, put your sweats on for me.
Y'all, look at my shadow. This is bad. It's terrible. The sun is behind me, so I gotta keep going like this, but it's so pretty though. And it feels good. It's so nasty.
You're not gonna like it.
That seaweed is disgusting. Give me that. Alright, y'all. I'm about to set up.
You staying here?
We're about to set up house and then.
I mean, if there's seaweed everywhere, it might as well go. It's gonna be.
Okay. So, I think I got a 10. I'm gonna move away from this. So, I know y'all gonna hear the music still, but faintly. Basically, we decided to switch beaches. Well, not beaches, but we decided to switch like locations on the beach because the first one we went to, it was hella seaweed. Hey guys. So, we outside. Oh! It's dying. Oh my god. I knew it was gonna die out here. That's why I need to get 2 batteries. I'm gonna get 2 batteries. Because I also... Huh? This way, right? Oh. Well, it's so... I definitely got a tan, bro. I can see it.
Where my coin at? You wanna go talk to the manager now, or you just... No.
See, it starts dying when I press record.
Oh, look at that glow. Hold on, let me get back in there. Let me see that.
It's like... It's time to go, like... We've been here for mad hours. Like, it's 6:24, about to be 6:30. We was in that water. Where? Ooh. It's about to die, though. It keeps saying it's about to die, but I'm gonna just let it ride until it dies. Don't split the pole, guys. Here for a good time, not a long time, gang. Feel me?
Y'all niggas know.
Get up.
Clean chestnut checkers, come on.
That sun is too harsh though. I can't like get that lighting like that.